Teaching path for railing of opposite sides by 5-axis cantilever machine. Today we'll teach the opposite side welding teaching. This side started with these points and this corner. First, let's see the join. After turn around this corner closer to the user, so we handle this point first. This point's x minus 15, z 0, y 20 plus 140 plus 10 makes 170. According to the equation, after turning the y value equal to 757 minus 170 makes 587. Let's teaching the tool paths of these points. First, we have to change to number 2 control system and into teaching mode. J1 plus turn 180 degrees. Then add 1 last. The K use 8. Get current parameter 100 millimeter per second. X still minus 15. Y give 587. Okay. This is mistake teaching for lesson. The welding has to use number 1 control system, not the number 2 control system. So if give the value like this, the pulse just like this, turning minus 15 degrees, the J2 no meaning at all and number control system. Only one axis is J1. So let's redo it. Reset everything back to the normal. Renew. Clear data field. Number 2 coordinate system. Right now J1 0. Original pulse. So turn J1 plus 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Turn over already. Then put the cursor at here. Press the right button to number 1 control system. Number 1 control system J1 to J5 all 0. So we doing this one first by using add 1 last. Give K value 8. Get a current parameter 100 millimeter per second. The X minus 15. Y give 587. Z give 0. Okay. Closer to look. Okay. This is the welding point. We have to incline the tool. Change to Cartesian coordinate system. Use Ry minus 1 times 3 times Rz plus rotate once. once the tool changed direction, the second has to use Z minus. Okay, this is the inclined tool. Pause. Change it back to join mode. Use modify to get machine coordinates. Okay. Then the coming pass, we have to use reverse method at the number 1 instructions. Before it, insert one line, and then change to Cartesian coordinate system. Use X minus, retract once, twice, 3 times. Change it back to join mode. Modify to get machine coordinates. Okay. Then tool back 90 degrees. Insert one line and move to line number 1. Change it back to CCS. Y minus once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Oh, never move. 77, very tough. Okay, turn back. Lower the speeds. Long duration. Y plus. Still long duration. Fast. Y minus. 65, 71, 78, 80, 81, 82, 83.6, 90.66. Slower the speeds. Opposite. 90.4, 90.2. Slower. 90. We have to let this digital become 0 to get a better accuracy. Okay, 95. Change back to join mode and modify, get the machine coordinates. Okay, the 2 justified. Then the C minus 140, we have to let it become 0 before instruction 1. Insert another 1, move to the first instruction and use J5 plus, speed to the maximum. J5 plus, turn, last turn, minus 9.9. Slower the speeds. Slower the speeds. Okay, 1.0.0. The second digital, don't worry, is accuracy enough. So the J5. Okay, then modify, get machine coordinates. Okay. Then insert another line, move to the line number 1, speeds to the maximum, J3 plus up. Modify, get machine coordinates, and U give the accuracy 0 degree. V give 0 degree. Okay. So run. Have a look. Head tail to the tail. Right now, 5 instructions created. Then will incline the tool up to the top. Right now, continue climb up the round bar to generate instruction 6. First, use multi 10 slower speeds, J3 plus once, J1 plus once, J2 plus once. Okay, then line. Next point, J3 once, J1 once, J2 plus once, slower adjusting. The practical teaching similar like this. Okay, this point 5. Use line to lock. The next one, J3, lift up. J1 plus J2. Okay, lock it. Next one, J3 up. J1, J2. J3 up. Okay, then this is the last point. Use line to lock it. Let's see what we have done. Okay, then retract. CCS speed to the fattest, S minus 1, 2, 3. Join more, lock it. Then B 90 degrees. CCS Y minus once, twice, 3 times, 87 already. Slower the speed. 88, 89, 90, exactly 90. Join more to lock this point by line function. And then speed to the fattest, minus 141. We use J5 plus. Turn. Slower the speeds. Turn. 0.080 accurate enough. Lock these points by line. And the J3 plus lift up and lock these points, but has to modify U to 0, V parameter to 0 as well. Okay, totally 13 instructions. Let's run to look. Okay, no problem. Save CC file. The file name, give test 2. reverse side R. File folder D drive GAC data. Save it. After saving, renew to clear everything. Continue to do the other side. The same. We have to calculate first. The other side in here, x minus 15, z 0, y 20, 140 minus 10 makes 150. 757 minus 150 makes 607. Then let's do it by using add one last. K give A. Get the current position parameter 100 millimeter per second. X minus 15. Y 607. Okay. Let's see. Turn, turn, turn. Okay. This is the welding position. Let's incline the tool by using CCS. Y minus once, twice, 3 times. RZ, where is RZ? Here is RZ. Rotate this direction. This direction is minus RZ minus once. It turned. The next one is RZ plus. Okay, this is good pause. Then change back to join mode. To modify, get machine coordinates. Okay. The coming pass we have to reverse. Insert 1 before 1. And back to CCS. S minus once, twice, 3 times. Back to join mode. Modify, get column coordinates. Then before 1, we have to insert 1 line and move to the number 1 line. And back to Cartesian coordinate system. Y minus once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We have to rate RY 90. Lower the speeds. 98. Lower the speeds. RY plus. 97. 96. 95. 94. 93. 92. 91. 90.6.2. Slower the speeds. Okay, 90 exactly. Then use modify, get a machine coordinates. Okay. Then before 1, we have to insert another line and move to the first line. And 1 for 1, let it be 0 by using maximum speeds. J5 minus once, twice, 3 times. Faster moving, turning. 11, 192. Slower the speeds. Okay, 0.020. Accurate enough. Modify. Get machine coordinates. Okay. Before line number 1, insert another one after the new leading line number 1. And oh, we have to leave 10 millimeters up, so change to the maximum speed by using J3 plus once. Modify, get machine coordinates. U just give 0. V just give 0. Okay. After modify, let's see what we have done wrong. Head tail to the tail. Right now, 5 instruction created. We'll continue to teaching instruction number 6. Climbing the round bar to the top. First, slower the speeds to multi 10. J3 plus Z lift up first. The Y minus direction. J2 minus is Y. The Z positive direction. The X positive direction. J1 plus is X. Fine. This point okay. Then lock line to make the instruction 6. The next one, J3 plus J2 minus J1 plus. Okay. Line number log this to line number 7. The next one, we slower the speeds. J3 up. J2 minus a little. J1 plus a little. Fine. And lock at this point. And then next one, J3 up. J2 Y minus direction. J1 plus. Okay, this is the toughest points already. Let's locate. Then retrailer tool. Change to CCS. Speed to the fastest. S minus once, twice, 3 times. To the join mode. Lock these points by line. Then next, turn B to 90 degrees by using CCS. Y minus once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 5 times 107, and back RY plus 97. Slower the speeds. 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90.6. Slower the speeds. 94 in the pool. 2, 90.5. 1, 90.00, exactly 90 degrees. Okay, change back to the join mode and lock these points. And C with 1 for 1, we have to let J5 to 0. The speed to the maxima by using J5 minus turn to 21, 11, 1. Slower the speeds. Zero point 0. Okay, that's fine. The C to the right position. Use line to locate. The next one, practice the speed and with J3 plus once, and lock these points and modify its U parameter to 0, V parameter to 0 degree. Okay, totally 13 instructions. That's wrong. To have a look the toolpath. Fine. And we insert the right part at before the line number 1. So we have to use head tail push head to the line number 1. And by using insert file, pick the test 2R .cc, insert into it. You can see the tool pass, and let's have a visual view. Run. Okay, perfect. Then save cc. The same, use test 2R.cc. The rest all the same as this welding position. Ending.
如果还有梦